Finally have cleared things out. Coastal low offshore and weakened. And now in the history books for us. We will see, yes, still a few clouds at times tomorrow, but I don't think we'll be socked in with an overcast sky. Just a little bit of mid-level moisture, so filtered sunshine, partly cloudy, I think, for a good chunk of the day tomorrow. High temps today, not so bad, mid-60s, but under the clouds, not as warm as western Maryland, where the sun was out. They were in the low 70s there. Temperatures into the day tomorrow, how about pushing 80, huh? That is going to be a nice change. Some sun breaking through and a south wind kicking in. All that it will take to really change the temperature game around here. Take you out to Frostburg first, show you where the sunshine was today. And I think we'll see some sunshine around central Maryland and even the eastern shore tomorrow. Did not have it on the shore today. Look at Ocean City, socked in with the fog, some large surf rolling in. Just posted some large waves at the Ocean City Pier on our Facebook page. Amazing stuff there at the beach today with that storm offshore. Tonight in Baltimore, it's quiet on the range after topping out today. Finally back to more seasonal levels at 66 degrees. We'll hover in the 50s tonight. And taking a look at that hour by hour forecast, you can see we are down in the upper 50s toward 5 a.m., but it's a bright, partly cloudy 62 in the morning, and we climb to around 80 by 2 o'clock. Mix of sun and clouds. This is what we've been waiting for, I think. Take a look at the overall wind pattern here. I think we turn those southerly, crank them up tomorrow, 15, gusting 25. Significant because that's a warm air flow for us, and I think we'll stay in a fairly warm flow through the first part of the weekend, at least. On the bay tomorrow, finally have a chance to get the boat back out in some decent weather. Air temp 77, water temp up to 60 now on the Chesapeake at the Thomas Point buoy. So here we go. 60 in Baltimore, 70s to our south. Warm air about to flow in as we go into the day tomorrow. We should stay in some pretty warm air right through Friday and Saturday as well. Again, our system continuing to pull further and further away. That's going to allow dry air to move in behind this boundary. An additional front out to the west could send a little wave of showers in here, I think, late tomorrow night. Brief, but a line of showers overnight, really, tomorrow night. So you probably will not see much impact from that as it's an overnight arriver and quickly moves out, and it clears us again for Friday around here. So I think a couple bright days tomorrow, Friday even sunnier, and probably partly to mostly sunny on Saturday as well. Things change a little bit by Sunday. Show you that here in 1 second. 57 tonight, clouds breaking for a brighter day tomorrow, and here is the rest of the outlook. 82 on Friday. The chance to get to the mid-80s on Saturday with a mix of sun and clouds. Now we start clouding up late day Saturday, and I do think mostly cloudy as we get cooler air working in out of the northeast on Sunday. A little backdoor front type situation. Could bring some showers on Monday as well. But right now I think both days should be relatively dry for Bay Bridge, Paddle, Brigance, ALS 57K. All looks pretty good right now.